Hello, good morning. In this video I'm going to be uploading the list of SaaS, which I was going to peg onto the last video, but we ran out of time. So it's going to be a bit of a shorter video. I've got a list of 50 SaaS, which will come right at the end. I'm not going to talk as much as I did in the last video because the time just flies. But what I am going to do is I've got my list in front of me. I'm just going to scan through, 3, 4, 5 different platforms. Just give a very, very brief, and I mean brief, summary of what each platform does, and just a quick rundown basically, and then we'll get straight into the list. So. Yeah, I hope you find the stuff useful. What's in the list today is quite kind of mixed. So, there's software, there's AI. It's a bit more of a kind of mixed bag of stuff. So it's not all AI, but there's some interesting stuff in there, whether you're a digital marketeer, business person or organisation, charity, whatever that may be, there's bound to be something in there which you will find of use. So great, let's crack on. Okay, so first up I'm going to tell you about a platform called Go High Level. GoHighLevel.com is the website. It's an American company, stroke software as a service. It allows you as a marketeer or stroke digital marketing agency to scale your clients' businesses. So you can basically do everything from creating landing pages really quickly to automating certain tasks. It has a 14-day free trial. I'm just reading off their website here, just give you an idea of the sort of scale of it, or size of it, let's say. So it says here we've got 60,000 customers, 1.4 million businesses, 622 million plus leads, and 14.7 billion conversations. So it's quite a big site. Now you can get a free trial with this 14-day free trial, and there's a video on the site which will talk you through what you can do with it. It's similar in some ways to a system, or system is the wrong word, another platform by Adobe called Marketo. I did look at I went to Google, I typed in high level versus Marketo comparison, and it brought up a comparison. Now Marketo, according to this comparison, scores a little bit higher. I'm not sure if it's a bit more expensive, but that said, I don't think you should write high level off, because it's quite established. It's not like some kind of small family business that's been going a few years. So have a look at that. It's in the list right at the back of this video. It's basically got everything you need to succeed in digital online marketing, let's say. So it's worth a look. So I'm going to wrap up on that one there, and we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so another one which is on the list right at the back of the video is called Copy AI, and basically what that allows you to do is to automate certain tasks. Now it is quite a large sort of site, that offers, apparently it's got 15 million users of quite established business users. So I want to say quite established, according to the website. These are quite big, massive businesses. So what that system does, there's a whole raft of stuff that it does. The best thing to do is have a look through, click on the link, have a look through. I'm just going to I've got the website open in front of me. I'm just going to quickly read through. There's kind of two verticals, if you like. So there's the AI Sales OS operating system and AI Marketing OS operating system. So on the left-hand side, where it's got AI Sales operating system, this is what it does: personalized prospecting, track job changes, working deals, AI Sales Manager, powering operations, and competitor analysis. And on the other side, the other vertical, AI Marketing Operating System. No, I'm pretty sure that's what that stands for. This is what you can do. So SEO content creation, thought leadership content, localization and translation, event execution, not that kind of execution, but you know what I mean. So ad creation and optimization, sales content creation, and product marketing. So that site is worth a look. The website is called www.copy.ai. Okay, so next up is Pixis AI. That's Pixis AI. So that caught my attention. Working in marketing, online marketing, digital marketing, whatever you want to call it, for a number of years. The thing I've always kind of identified as a pain point, if you like, is when it comes to things like SEO and PPC, a lot of organisations, it's now a word for struggle, if you like, to find the best ways to optimize their campaigns. And if it's done manually, there are tools out there. If it's done manually, it's a lot of hard work. Going through Google Keyword Planner and cross-referencing the data with SEMrush and all kinds of other tools like Moz, for example. So, this particular site caught my attention. It's an AI site because it kind of takes quite a bit of a hard work out of some of those tasks for you. Now, what it says on their kind of very homepage is AI infrastructure for growth marketing, purpose-built codeless AI solutions to scale your demand generation. I'm not going to talk for ages, but if I just dig into it a little bit more, so if I click on products, it's got 3 sections: targeting AI, creative AI, and performance AI. So let's just click on targeting AI. Okay, it's just coming up. So I'm going to read out what it says, okay? So it's got enrich your targeting strategies with AI to identify, expand, and convert your target audience across platforms faster than ever before. Trained on billions of data points, Pixis Targeting AI creates the most relevant cohorts for your brand using state-of-the-art neural networks and consistently improves them over time. And you can book a demo. So let's just click on the third one down, performance AI. So, very similar kind of thing. I'll read out what it says just quickly. Improve campaign performance and maximize ROAS, return on investment at scale. That's what it means. Across platforms by leveraging proprietary AI models trained on billions of data points. So you kind of get the gist. For a human to do the same kind of work at the same kind of speed, with the same accuracy, with the same, enhancing results, is going to zap time massively. And your human probably pretty sure couldn't, wouldn't be trained on billions of data points. So this is why these systems are coming into play and are becoming more prominent, because they offer great benefits. So it's worth having a look. They do other things as well, but time is short on this video. I'm not going to talk for ages, so I just wanted to show you that one and why it caught my eye. Okay, so the next one is called Albert AI. Now I'll read out what it says on their website. It says Albert AI is an unprecedented self-learning solution that improves the effectiveness of your digital advertising with more persistence, precision, intelligence, and efficiency than any other offering. Now, the reason this one caught my attention is because, with regard to, planning paid advertising campaigns, it's primarily aimed at B2C, so business to consumer, but it does quite a lot of the heavy lifting by comparing, millions of data sets and kind of really figuring out what is going to work for you, what is going to optimize your campaigns, what keywords are going to work, what negative keywords are going to, all that kind of stuff. So that's worth a look as well. There's quite a bit on the site to look at. The website is called www.albert.ai. It's worth a look. It's not a 1 minute glance over. You'll need to read some of the small print and go into it in a bit of depth. But I found that quite interesting when I looked at it in detail the other day. It doesn't give pricing because you have to get in touch with the sales team for a bespoke quote. But based on what the system says it can do, I found that quite interesting. So you can plan your campaigns. It will allow you to plan your campaigns, structure, add variations, keyword grouping, media. It allows you to build the campaigns, so add group sets, audiences, budget allocation. allows you to optimize the campaigns, so media stroke keywords, audiences, schedule, budgets, bids, and it allows you to report, analyze the campaigns through provider reporting, creative reporting, insights, etc. So, you know, and this uses AI to. We all know how AI works. You know, it learns from, you know, hundreds of thousands, stroke millions of data sets. You know, that's what I'm saying. All AI is not the same. The AI is only as good as it's been trained. But you know, it's a growing thing now with AI stroke SaaS sites, and some are better than others. You know, it's definitely something that's you know, growing very fast, and every week there's something new out, or every month certainly. So it's worth having a look. You know, if you spend quite a bit of money on PPC and you are maybe concerned that you might not be getting the best value for money, you know, it might be worth checking this out, because the AI might be able to speed up the accuracy, cut down time, cut down cost, and produce a better return on investment. So I'll leave that one there. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff in the end list which I'm definitely not going to have time to talk about in any kind of, you know, even if I did 5 minutes on one, it would be way too long. So I'm not going to be able to talk you through each one. You'll have to look at the list and, you know, put just brief description next to each one, what each one does, and, you know, visit the website, go to Google, type in the company name, visit the website, and just go through each one by one. But just lastly, on my little kind of rundown, if you like, verbal rundown, one of them on the list is called Google Merchant Center. So that's not Google Shopping, but it ties in, you know, it works in conjunction with Google Shopping. So once you register and create an account on Google Merchant Center, it basically allows you to upload and manage all your company's products, services on Google, which can then be used across Google platforms. So they might appear on Google Shopping, for example. You know, they might appear elsewhere on Google. So that's in the list as well. Like I said, not everything in the list is AI. Some of it is software. But I've tried to pick out, especially on the kind of verbal rundown, I've tried to pick out some of the stuff which I believe, you know, might be of benefit use to marketers, businesses, organisations. So do have a look. Do spend a bit of time going through the list. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's not exactly a travel video, but I hope you found it useful. And until next time, I'll sign off. Have a great day.